Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at cash declaration on the ER180 register. So cash declaration is where you count the money in the till, tell the till how much money is in the till drawer, and then run your Z report. You can make it compulsory, so it may be that you're watching this video because you've had an error message come up on the till telling you to perform the cash declaration. So the first thing to do is get yourself into the register mode, so you can check that by typing 99 and pressing the mode button, and that will confirm what mode you're in. So we can see that I'm in the REG or register mode. We then press the no sale button to get the cash drawer open, and we can now count up the cash in the drawer. So once we've done that, we then need to tell the till what our cash declaration is. So to do that, we need to get into the X mode. So you press the mode button once to get to read, which is the X mode. You then type in on the number keypad 90, followed by the subtotal button here. You then need to type in the amount of money that you're declaring. So for £50 it would be, we'll do a slightly different amount for £45.80, 45.80. No need to enter the decimal point, as the till inputs that for you. You then press the cash tend button here, and then you press it again to confirm. You get a printout showing the cash declaration. So if I tear that off, we've got the cash we've counted there, £45.80. It's telling us the draw total is £50 and that the difference is £4.20. So that's how to perform the cash declaration. You can now run your Z report by going to reset, pressing 1 subtotal, and yeah, that's how to do it. What I'll do is I'll post a separate video telling you how to make it compulsory, or if you've already got it compulsory and you don't want it to be compulsory, we can tell you how to stop that happening. So I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180. Some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.